Introducing the best cash and credit buddy system ever seen. Brought to you by Credit Restoration International. Why is credit repair so important? Because this could mean the difference between an approval or a denial on loans, mortgages, employment, and more. This is why your credit repair is important should you be denied. Credit repair is necessary when your credit score is 600 or below. And even in some cases where you are not denied, you will probably get rates which are much higher compared to someone who has a good credit score. Just like a car, you can't repair your credit unless you know what's wrong. There are certain things you can do to restore or improve your credit. Our best cash and credit buddy system can improve your credit and boost your income at the same time. The 3 cash and credit systems, $25, $50, and $100 packages can provide you with everything needed to change your financial picture starting today. No more embarrassing denials on loans and credit applications. You will get professionally written credit letters, a 197-page PDF file to learn how to remove bankruptcies, foreclosures, tax liens, and more. And earn endless instant cash, 100% matching payments, 24/7, 365 days out of the year. Special offer for pre-launch. Get the $70 entry Credit Restoration International system free with a $70 purchase of the Dynamic Trio 247 crowdfunding platforms. Get the details today. Go to our 24/7 overview at 703-485-5062 for the details and get our flyer to get started. Share this video with everyone. Credit Restoration International, CRI. Have a good day, folks.